Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
In this case, we are going to show you a nice Milonga step, Milonga figure, for you to use it at the Milonga.
Before going to the video, remember to subscribe, share, and like if you enjoy it. Okay, here we'll show you the figures, very fun one. We walk, cross, walk again. Leaders are going to do a little push for her to cross. 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, and we finish doing a rock step.
Very good. So this is a fun figure and very easy figure that you can use at the Milonga right away, but there are a few things to keep in mind when we are doing this figure for the leaders first and then tips for the follower. So when we are doing this, the main thing is that we should rotate the position of our hip. In this case, you see how I'm doing, and do the little push sideways. The most common problem with this one is that the leader goes straight front and pushes too strong the follower. Yes, so I call it drifting push. Ta-ka-ta. It's almost like a car drifting. Leaders, you guys will understand me. And we have pa, pa, pam, pa, pa, pam. Did you notice that I'm going sideways? But when I'm doing this, if you notice my arm is still here, not dragging the follower. Sorry, Miri. We keep the position. If I keep doing this a couple of times, pa, 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 I'm always drifting with the hip, not with the torso. That's for the leader.
Yeah. For the followers, we making the step. Let me show them in open position. We rotate. I'm rotating the left leg, so it's not square. It's not with the little toe. It's a big toe. And then I feel the push, and I absorb that motion on lower body, mostly right leg, but the torso is still facing the leader. So at one point, I have to disassociate, open the right shoulder, move the hips in to go to the cross, change body weight in this position, and extend again the leg. So keep your axis, don't move the torso much. It's only leg, axis, leg. So if you notice, I'm not dragging the leader. Yes. I'm not, after the cross, I'm not uncrossing and moving. It's just leg, cross, leg.
Now we're going to do it with the music, but before that, we would like to mention that we have our own Tango app. You can download it in iPhone or Android, either way. Links are going to be in the description of this video. And we have over 350 classes with free content, a lot of free content, and also membership if you want to dive deeper and you are serious about learning tango.
Now with the music.